Hello everyone, my name is Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I have a Lenovo Yoga 730. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer through the start menu, make sure it's off and unplugged from your charger. We're then going to flip your computer over to access your bottom case screws. Now you have 10 screws on the bottom case that you need to remove. After doing so, you'll take a small, flat, plastic pry tool and you'll go across the entire seam of the bottom case and gently pry it up from the rest of your computer. It's generally best to start out back near one of the two hinges and go in one direction. If you get stuck, leave it, go to the other side and continue in the other direction. Also, don't put the pry tool too far in. You could damage some internal components. Just keep it on the edge, go nice and slow but firm, and you'll be able to get that bottom case off. Once you do, this is what you're looking at for the inside of your computer. Now, as a general computer repair side note, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, I will have a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools and supplies and the replacement parts for this specific Yoga 730. Now, before touching anything in a computer, it's always wise to remove or at least unplug your battery. Computers are safest to work on when as little power as possible is running through them. This is your battery right down here. It's held in by these 4 screws and plugs into the motherboard right here. Now, as goes for any cable or wire in a computer, try to avoid pulling on the wire if at all possible. You could damage it or sometimes pull it right out of the plug. So what you want to do, if at all possible, is grab the plug itself and wiggle it out of the motherboard port. Now, in this case, this one didn't have a whole lot of grip on either side, so I did have to grab the wire just a little bit, but I tried to grab it along with the plug and wiggle it out slowly so as not to damage it. Your Wi-Fi card is right here in the top right of my screen. There's a little black piece of tape that hangs over the screw and the antenna wire. You can gently peel that up. The single screw will release the Wi-Fi card. All you will have then is the antenna wire that snap on. Those are just snaps. They just come up and off of the Wi-Fi card. And to get them back on, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap back on. And keep in mind, you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the right angle and you try to force it. So just be patient. They can be a pain in the butt if you're not used to them, but you will be able to get those on. I will have all the Wi-Fi spec information below in the description if you're looking for your own replacement, but I will include a replacement Wi-Fi card below in that link I told you about with all of the tools and replacement parts for this model computer. And I guess the last thing to mention about a Wi-Fi card replacement, if you're having Wi-Fi issues in your computer, if you cannot see the Wi-Fi options, if you can't find any networks, your Wi-Fi card may be bad. You may need to replace it, but it could also be something else. It could be a system, a driver issue. I would try to rule that out first. I will have a tutorial link below in the description. It'll show you how to troubleshoot a laptop if you cannot see your Wi-Fi options. But that's it for this video, how to get inside your Yoga 730 and access your Wi-Fi card. Thanks again so much for watching. Please remember to like and share if this helped you out, if you think it can help someone else out. And feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content like this, or if you just want to keep me on hand to answer any of your future computer questions. I do try to answer all questions throughout my channel at least a couple times a day. Also, feel free to check out the related links section below in the description. From time to time, I do try to add things in there that I think will help you with your general computer life, make it more productive, more enjoyable. So thanks again for watching, everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.